Hey, welcome. Jim Whitaker here. Today we're going to talk about a little bit of hands-on where you're actually going to learn how to pick and set up a domain name with GoDaddy. Now you can go to GoDaddy.com or you can click on the link below this video when you're ready. But the first thing you're going to do is go into GoDaddy.com and you're going to go up here next to the login button and you're going to click on create an account. And that's going to take you to a screen like this one. It's just like any other account that you set up. You're going to fill in your name, your information, email address, your address. This is an account, if you use GoDaddy, like I do for all my domains, you're going to use for a long time as long as you're on the internet. So just fill that out as complete as you can, set up your account, and then when you're done, you'll come back and now I'm logged into my account. And it's the same screen basically that you'll come in, but only it's your account, so you don't have to go through logging in when you find a domain. Now, picking a domain, you can pick a domain with your company name in it. Now, be careful with that because a lot of companies have copyrights and registered trademarks, so you need to check with them before you put your company name in a domain and use that. They may contact you and want you to stop if there is a trademark or copyright infringement. So you also have a choice of using your name. So you can use your name, and if your name's not available, you can put your name online, work with your name, and that's what I'm going to put in for this example. I'm going to just type in work with Jim Whitaker, and .com is already in there. That's the other thing. You want to get .com if you can, unless the name is just something that you have to have. And it is available, and it's $11.99 for a year. You can get discounts by taking it multiple years, but I would suggest you're just starting out, just get it for a year. You may find out in a couple months you want to change your domain, so you won't be stuck with it for 5 years if you're not totally happy with it. So we've got the domain, excuse me, we got the domain that we want. We just click on add. And this is going to take us to a series of screens where they're going to try to sell you a bunch of stuff. When you click over here on continue to registration, and on all this for now, they'll try to sell you the .net, the .org, the .info. Just click no thanks. Keep moving through. Okay, and then it'll take you to another screen like this one, and it'll ask you for well, it'll have default as 5 years. Just put in 1 year. Like I said, don't worry about certifying it or anything else. We'll go with the domain just like it is. You can do a standard registration, so you don't need anything there. You don't need to add anything to it. You'll get an email with it, one email, so don't worry about any of these things on this page either. Just get right to the checkout box. And there it is. It's going to be a total of $12.17. It's your $11.99. Make sure everything's spelled right. It's just the way you want it. It's for 1 year. And just click continue to checkout. Now, I'm not going to buy this domain right now, but this is how you do it. Pretty easy step-by-step process. Now I'm going to take a pause for a minute, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how we're going to direct this domain to your company website. So until you have a website of your own that you can use this domain for, a blank screen won't come up when people search for it. You'll be able to direct people right to your company sales page or opt-in page. I'll be right back. Okay, so after you checked out, you're back to a screen like this on your main page. You're going to click on My Account, the button in the upper right hand corner, and it's going to bring you to your products, your domains. And I want to show my domains, and we'll go right up. Just pick a domain. You're only going to have one domain here, so you'll just click on it just like that, and it's going to bring you to kind of a back office page like this. Now the only thing we're going to do here, we don't need to click on anything else except up here it says forward. Just click on forward domain, and then it's going to be a blank screen. Now your company website, whatever company you're with, your company's sales page or opt-in page, you want to send people to that, you just fill it in. In this case, I'm just putting in my blog, jimwhitakerblog.com, and then you can click preview to see if it's going to go to the right page, and you got it set up right, and there it is. That's my blog page, so that's where I want it to go. So I would just click OK. I'm not going to forward this domain, but on yours you will. You'll click OK, and it's going to take 15 minutes to an hour to get your domain forwarded. So when you click on it right after you get out of the screen, don't worry that it doesn't go right to that page. It takes a little while for GoDaddy to complete the process. So that's all there is to it. I put some information that you can follow step by step below this, so you can click on the GoDaddy link. You can go to the page and you can just follow through, print out what I've written on this page, and it'll take you right through it. And if you have any questions, as always, just send me an email, jim@jimwhitakeronline.com, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, my friends.